Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Uniswap at number 1, followed by Monero, PEPE, Whitebit, ONDO, Aptos, AAVE, Tau, and then we're ending with Near at number 40. Let's get straight into it. Uni against BTC. So Uni against BTC is still in a downwards trend. We're still under the skinny pink line. So yeah, it's not done yet. It's not done. Maybe it is, but yeah, nothing much for us to do here. Against USD. Not really feel with confidence here because Uniswap is right at the skinny pink line. Right, there was a very big fall down. I suspect that the wheels of Uniswap may be clearing these lows. And anyway, Uniswap has been lackluster so far. Right, it's just not volatile. So from a trading standpoint, there's just not much for us to work with for Uniswap. Monero against USD, we have two more targets. We've already hit 240, so there's still 326 and 390. We're still above the skinny pink line, so more upside is still expected for Monero. PEPE against USD. PEPE looking very scary because PEPE has very clear mountains. Mountain 1, this whole thing is mountain 2. I fear that the right shoulder is appearing for PEPE. And potentially PEPE could be coming back down to this noisy area. So from where we are down to this area, it's it could be a 90% drop. So boy, and PEPE is really clearly under the skinny pink line. So the bearish trend is clearly on for PEPE. So more downsides to be expected. Whitebit against USD. Whitebit is again still in a bullish trend. No clear signs of a reversal. So yeah, again, you don't go long over here. So there's no edge for us when it comes to trading Whitebit. There's just no, yeah, it just keeps going up and up and up. So this is how most of the exchange coins behave. Makes you think, right? What's a new exchange that you can consider putting in some cash in? ONDO against USD. Okay, let's look at BTC first. Okay, we don't have ONDO against USD. Gate. Adding, oh boy. So ONDO could also be coming back down. Getting a right shoulder over here. And shoulders continue lower. Yes, no? Doesn't really look good to me. So I will preach caution for ONDO. Aptos. So Aptos is a bit disappointing. Right, and Aptos still is under the skinny pink line against BTC. Which means that if you had shifted your Aptos into BTC, you would have done so much better. So yeah, it's just not really doing well against BTC. If the coin is not doing well against BTC, the coin is better, to just be in BTC. Aptos against USD continues to go sideways, right? And Mohammed just left Aptos, one of the co-founders, and now the Ching is taking over. So yeah. Anyway, Aptos is I mean, as a founder, how can you just leave your company, right? Unless it's for monetary purposes. I don't know. Maybe you don't really feel like doing anything anymore. I don't know. Maybe you're rich. It's there's not the kind of move that you want to hear from a founder of a project, right? So anyway, we'll see how it goes first though. But this is quite disappointing for Aptos. Should Aptos rise up here, then maybe we can consider move for Aptos, right? If it rises back up here. So yeah, again, because at this point of time, if BTC drops, very likely Aptos is gonna fall as well, and we're gonna see potentially a new all-time low for Aptos. So again, at this area, I will preach caution. We're under the skinny pink line. Preference is for us to stay above the skinny pink line, but yeah, it is what it is. And this is not even a squeeze. Why? Because it's a lower low. Yes, it's a lower high. Yes, lower highs, but this is a lower low. Who's to say that we won't get another lower low, right? It could be like in a very slanted kind of a channel, right? So not to say that it's gonna fail or anything, but it's not the kind of chart pattern that you want to see, right? That's Aptos for you. AAVE against BTC. Here we are for AAVE. AAVE is also kind of lackluster against BTC. We're above the skinny pink line, right? Sure, we could rise up, but it's very lackluster though. I will preach caution. AAVE against USD is all the way up. This is great. Right, A up B. Hopefully, we come back down for a C. Best bullish case. We get a D, E, and then AAVE goes bananas. Right. Do you know who is in front of AAVE? You know who's in front of AAVE? that has already completed a potential C, or in the way, on the way to completing a potential C, it's actually Maker. We will get to Maker when the time comes, but Maker is ahead of everyone. Anyway, where is this? Okay, bit tensor Tau against USD. Here we are for Tau. So for Tau, look at this flag here. I'm watching Tau very closely. So for Tau, there is a nice squeeze over here. The hope is that Tau completes the symmetrical triangle A, B, C, D, E and breaks higher. That's the absolute hope for Tau, right? But we're mucking around at the skinny pink line. So it makes you think, we should be careful here. Because there's no guarantees that Tau is going to hit higher, right? If this was the squeeze, right, it came up above the skinny pink line, if the skinny pink line was down here, right, then this would be awesome, but it's not. It's right on top of it, so it could still go both ways at this point of time. At what point will we consider Tau to be heading back, to new highs? Yeah, we'll have to have a very high quality chart pattern, right? We could be completing a wave D though, and then there could be an E and then pump. We break out. Absolutely possible breaking towards $1,000. 4-digit bit tensor. Bit tensor has really done tremendously from the very bottom to the very top. 2,400%. Do we still go higher? Tau has potential, to be honest. We kind of like what we see. It's just that we clear these highs first. Maybe Tau might drop lower. Clear these lows first before continuing higher, right? So it would also be wise to, let's say, for example, we want to go long, right? To make entries when it's low, right? A correction would be welcome. Anyway, this is higher highs, higher lows. So it's a rising wage. Rising wages usually break lower, right? No guarantees. We could also continue higher. It's just we're gonna have to wait and see how it goes, right? If it drops, great. We consider making entries for bit tensor. But the thing about bit tensor is that it's already at 3 billion. It's a 3 billion coin. So how many percent do you expect Tau to continue higher, right? Even if it goes any higher, I suspect it only be like 200% maybe, right? 1 to 200%. So from a volatility standpoint, because Tau is a top 40 coin, it just won't be as volatile as you would expect from a coin that is much lower in terms of its market cap. So doesn't mean you can't go higher, doesn't mean you can't profit from trading, but it's just not going to be as volatile. But the chart pattern is good, so we'll see how it goes. Near against USD is solid. Why? Because near against USD is under the skinny pink line. We're probably coming back down for a wave C. You see this? A, B coming down for C, D, E, and then that's it. Breakout. Oh, best case scenario is we take out the lows over here. Not just here. Oops, bro. Not just here, but here as well. Take out these lows. Oh, that'll be awesome. That'll be super duper awesome. Which will bring near to about 120. Sub 120 will be awesome. And then you could, consider scooping up some near at 120. And after that, pump, it breaks higher. So just like Tau, how much would you expect near to rise? Right. Because it's a top 40 coin, right? And it's already almost a 4 billion market cap coin. So for near to go 10x, it will have to be 40 billion, right? If it goes 20x, it's going to be 80 billion. 80 billion is going to put you in the top 10. You're going to be above Solana. Near protocol could be above Solana, right? Not to say that it can't do it, right? Because Near protocol is AI. So if Near, and Near has partnerships, I think, with NVIDIA. So be like, that's very interesting. So maybe some of the NVIDIA aura could spill over to Near, and then Near could actually do a 10x, right? Potentially. There's no AI coin in the top 10. So Near could be the first AI coin to go into the top 10. You have a meme coin, you have a currency, you have a two currencies actually. This is centralized, this is decentralized. You have Ethereum as a proof of stake, decentralized blockchain. You have an exchange token, you have Solana, and then there is the Hosks coin. There could be an AI coin, or there could be room for an AI coin. So if I had to pick an AI coin, I will probably be picking near, because near is not too far away. Not too far away. And the chart pattern looks pretty good though in terms of its potential. But it's probably gonna be dropping a little bit more, right? To another 60% to $1.20. So we'll see how it goes, right? But if you could drop to $1.20, then I just might consider scooping up some near, because I feel like near could be doing pretty well though. Yeah, again, not to be too optimistic, right? Because it's really top 40. It might do like 100% or 200%, right? Even if it goes to $50, and if you were to pick up some at, like, let's say 120, right? And if it goes to 50, that's a 4,000. Okay, 4,000 is too much. Yeah, maybe like, yeah, close to 50 though. Not to say it can't go 4 times. We'll put it at 12 billion. Okay, no, I'm talking about it here. So if we drop 60%, okay, that's possible. So yeah, maybe we'll pick up some here, right? This could be a 2,000% trade, right? Or 3,000 or even 4,000. If it goes to 50, 3,000% would be great. So we'll see how it goes first though. But I kind of like near. So yeah, there you go. That's my thought. Those are my thoughts for near. All right, hope you guys have a great Thursday. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.